So previously we discussed how, for example, if you're drawing with box, circle, or custom, that you can begin drawing by clicking and dragging the mouse, and you can hold Alt in order to draw equidistant, and you can hold Alt and Shift in order to draw equidistant and from center, while also being able to not press any of those keys and just press center or press period on your keyboard in order to toggle that state. So there's a myriad of ways that you're able to go through various ways of drawing, but typically I like to draw starting from the corner and then hold Alt as needed, or hold Shift as needed, or hold Alt plus Shift as needed. However, there's a third mode of draw that I didn't talk about, and that is draw line. So instead of drawing starting from a center or corner point, you actually start by drawing a line, and then from there you can begin drawing the shape. And the foundation of this was put into something called line box, which is what you're seeing here, where I'm able to draw a line and then from there begin turning it into a box, which allows for a more angular oriented way of cutting. However, if we were to turn off draw line and jump over to something like custom, you can also see that custom plays by same rules, where I can draw holding Shift, I can draw holding Alt to draw it equidistant, I can hold Alt plus Shift, I can also press period to just avoid having to hold Alt plus Shift. But in addition to that, I can also turn on line and then begin drawing utilizing a line. And I can even hold Shift in order to get this completely equidistant and square, and then release Shift while I'm extruding down and begin drawing utilizing the line system, which is just a better way for dealing with orientation in these tricky situations. But just wanted to let you know that in addition to Alt and Shift, there's also the ability to draw utilizing a line, and so it's definitely something worth checking into. It's something that you can even do utilizing circle. So here I am drawing a circle utilizing a line as its origin draw type, and then from here just pressing Shift T to taper it and continue modifying the shape. So just letting you know that you have a myriad of options whenever it comes to drawing your shapes, whether it's from center or corner, or even switching it out and utilizing the line system.